Hello everyone, I am Professor Praveen Sarvale, College of Agriculture and Allied Sciences, Shardanagar, Baramati. Today we are going to discuss regarding the syllabus of Agro 122 ABM. In this Agro 122, the course name is Sustainable Farming System and Precision Agriculture. In this course, the whole syllabus regarding the farming system, that means sustainable agriculture, then farming system, then cropping system, also related to the organic farming, and some part of precision agriculture. Okay, this is all about the sustainable farming system and precision agriculture. The credit of this course is 1+1. Okay, that means 2 credit course. Now you can see here a teaching schedule. In teaching schedule, in theory parts, in lecture number first, farming system, their scope, importance and concept. The weightage of this topic is 6 mark. Then type and systems of farming system and a factor affecting the type of farming system, and the weightage is 8 marks. Then next topic, the farming system components and their maintenance for 6 marks. Then cropping system and allied enterprises and their importance for 4 marks. Then number 5, tools for agriculture, indicators of sustainability, adaptation, mitigation, determining production and the efficiency in a cropping and a farming system for 6 mark. Then sustainable agriculture problem and its impact on agriculture, 4 marks. Then integrated farming system, the historical background, their objective and characteristics, components of IFS and its advantages, resource use efficiency and optimization techniques for 12 marks. Then next topic lecture, organic farming, their principle, its scope in India, then initiative taken by government, NGOs and other organizations for a promotion of organic agriculture. Then next lecture, organic ecosystem and their concept, organic nutrient, resources and its fortification for 4 marks. Then a restriction to the nutrient use in organic farming, choice of crops and varieties in organic farming, fundamental of insect pest diseases, weed management under the organic mode of production. Then operational structure of NPOP, certification process and standard of organic farming, processing, labeling, economic consideration and viability for 4 marks. The next one is a marketing and export potential of organic products for 4 marks. And the most important part of this course is a precision agriculture, their concept, technique, their issues, concern for Indian agriculture for 12 marks. Global positioning system, that means GPS, geographic information system, uses in precision farming. This is also important topic for 4 marks. That site specific nutrient management for a nutrient and irrigation management practices, okay, for a particular region. It is for 4 marks. And the last topic is a comparative yields, quality and farm profit under the SSNM. Okay, SSNM, that means the site specific nutrient management practices versus variable rate technology practices for 4 marks. This is the whole syllabus, theory syllabus with schedule and weightage. Now you can see the practical. There are total 16 practical in your syllabus. The first one is a tools for determining production and efficiency in a cropping and farming system. Second one is a visit of cropping system, IFS model, organic farming guidelines, and alternative philosophies, NGOs and other organizations for the promotion of organic agriculture. That means it is a visit. Then organic nutrient resource and its fortification. This is the third exercise. Then number 4, restriction to nutrient use, enrich compost, vermicompost, liquid organic manures, green manurings, crop residues management, biofertilizers, biovinoculants, and their quality analysis. This is the number 5 exercise. Then choice of crop, varieties, pest management under organic production. Then next exercise, ITK in organic farming, NPOP, then certification process of whole organic farming. Then next exercise regarding the processing, labeling, marketing and export of organic product. Then number 9, economics of organic production system. Then number 10, post-harvest management in organic farming. Then number 11, it is one of the visit of organic farm. Then number 12, use of GPS for agriculture survey and regarding the GPS system. Then conversion of GPS reading, the study of maps, topo sheets and cartography. The next one is introduction to GIS, geographical indication system, software, spatial data creation and editing. Then instruction to the image processing software, visual digital interpretation of remote sensing. And the last exercise is a generation of spectral profile of a different objects, and supervised and unsupervised as classification and areas estimation. Okay, these are the total 16 exercise in your practical. Okay, this is all syllabus of Agro 1 to 2, that means sustainable farming system and precision agriculture. And the suggested books, textbook and reference books are given here. You can refer this textbook and reference book for extra information. Okay. If you have problem regarding the syllabus only, then contact me. Okay, thank you so much. Actual, we are going to start our first theory lecture, first topic in next video. Thank you so much, all of you.